Well, guys, after the last 6 months building automated trading bots, collecting, backtesting data, running thousands of different strategies, and comparing, contrasting, I discovered this because I was moving from my custom setup to PineScript and wanted to learn PineScript, and this was the first video I found, and what a gold mine it is. Check out this title. RSI strategy, backtested in PineScript TradingView. This is exactly what I was looking for. Who cares what RSI means? This strategy has been backtested. That means it works. It makes money. And this guy from Quant Program, he's got the proof. He coded it out for you. And then, somewhere in this video, he's got a net profit of 9,000%. That's a lot of percents. Does your strategy give you 9,000%? I didn't think so. And not only does it work on Microsoft, which is your favorite stock, but it also works on Walmart. I know you guys are skeptical, but he backtested it, which means it works. Now, unfortunately, I got to break the news to you. It doesn't work. It sucks. But a lot of people in the comments think it works. And they're very thankful for all the wisdom that Quant Program has been giving out for free. Although the links in his description all lead to marketing sign-up forms where he collects your email address so he can sell you products. But these videos are free, and he does show some coding, and I did learn a little bit of coding, although it is the older version of PineScript, so I did look for the newer version a bit later. But because quite a few people seem to be tricked by this, I wanted to make a video and point out why it sucks and how, well, some of the ways you can tell that a strategy sucks. And let's start with the smoking gun. What stock is he looking at? He's looking at Microsoft. You know anything about Microsoft? Maybe it's not as hot anymore, but it's one of the greatest performing stocks of all time. And so if you've got a strategy that says works well and you only test it on Microsoft, which, had an amazing run over 3 decades, that's pretty much any strategy would work. Any go long strategy will work. If you go short on Microsoft, you're going to get negative. If you go long, you're going to go positive. What's the ultimate go long strategy? Well, that's buy and hold. Let's take a look-see at how buy and hold does for Microsoft. So I've got this quant whatever strategy in here. I got the same results, and I got buy and hold equity here. Here's the strategy results, 9,000, and here's this blue line much higher. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Something's off. How much is it off? Well, I got the buy and hold strategy right here. I got it for you. I can give you the numbers. Here are the numbers. 251,000. Is that more than 9,000? Is it? Yeah, I think it is. Well, buy and hold beats the pants off of this, but like it's hard to, maybe it's hard to beat buy and hold on Microsoft, but maybe he shouldn't have picked Microsoft in the first place. He picked Microsoft because it goes up, and anything he puts on Microsoft is going to go up, any go long strategy. So unfortunately, a single line of code is not enough to make you riches. I hate to break it to you guys. I know you're looking for the get rich quick schemes. That's why you're here on YouTube watching this content. But it ain't here. It's not this line of code. Oh, maybe if you change the moving average from 150 to 130, maybe that's the secret juice you need. but I doubt it. I doubt it. I've run lots and lots of testing on moving averages, on daily data, on tick data, and unfortunately, um, you're not going to beat buy and hold on Microsoft like that. Not with this single strategy, single line of code strategy. All right, well, so that's the big thing is the buy and hold. But, I mean, you could do worse than buy and hold and still have a good strategy, but this max drawdown 48%. Now, another red flag, total closed trades 51. Well, you're only going to get so many closed trades in a daily strategy, but if you're going to claim it's back tested, how many trades do you need? Not 51. Your margin of error is ridiculous, and you need thousands, okay? You need thousands over different time periods. You need to look how it performs in different markets, and you got all this data where it's like on an astronomical rise. You can't use that. You can't use that data. I mean, it's not representative of what Microsoft is going to do in the future. You pick a very unique stock and get some massive trades against it. Anybody can do that. Pick Apple. Let's put this strategy on Apple. I bet it works. Hey, it works, but looky there. There's quite a bit of difference. I guess that's because Apple went public a bit earlier and had some tough times. Look, the strategy even goes negative. That's yeah, it goes up 300%, goes negative, and then does pretty well when Apple does well, but not as good as buy and hold. You only get 2,000%, which is a garbage return over this time period. Let's look at the trades. First trade in 1982. If you're making 2,000% since 1982, you're not doing too well, especially if you're investing in Apple. So here you go, 2,000. I'm being generous. It's 1,800%, but buy and hold strategy, 100,000%. There's something funny with this buy and hold strategy. Why has it got a drawdown anyway? It's still better than whatever this thing is, this RSI strat. Yeah, so there you have it. A couple of red flags. But maybe it works on something other than Microsoft. But he didn't click on anything quite that different than Microsoft in the video. He clicked on Microsoft, he clicked on Walmart, maybe one other stock. What's a less sexy stock? There we go. This beats buy and hold. Maybe this is the financial crisis or something. In any case, this strategy sucks, and don't throw your money away. Buy the index, do something, learn how to backtest properly, learn what razor thin margins there are and these types of trading strategies that people are pawning off on YouTube. And someone only puts in the effort to write a single line of code to share with you. That's not the goose that lays the golden eggs. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry to burst your bubbles. But I'm giving you that tough love. I'm letting you know how it is. The real deal. And you can't make money with a single line of code. At least. Not that I know of. If you find it out, you let me know. Call me up. I'll feature you in a video. So to summarize what we've gone over, we've picked a stock that had abnormal returns and put a random long strategy on it, and it underperforms buy and hold by a massive margin. It doesn't mean it's a good strategy. It also isn't properly backtested. Just because this strategy tester has the word test in it doesn't mean it's sufficient backtesting that proves anything. 51 trades is not enough. The drawdown is high. And look, it's selection bias at the end of the day. You pick an amazing stock in the past and put some strategy on it. You can make imaginary money. Go for it. But don't put your real money into this. I've warned you. This strategy sucks.